Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the transfer flow. Sign in to the same Konami ID on the source and target devices. This links account records. Once done, open Duel links on the source device and choose Data Transfer from Settings, then select Generate Transfer Code or use Konami ID. Pick whichever method is shown. Make sure both devices are on the same wireless network and have sufficient battery. These steps minimize errors and prepare you to move forward immediately. You now perform the core exchange. If you generated a transfer code on the source, enter it on the target within the time limit. If using Konami ID, log in on target and select Restore Account. Once entered, the game validates ownership and queues cloud files. This can take a minute depending on save size. Make sure to watch the progress indicator and do not close either app. If you see file mismatch prompts, read them carefully and choose the option that matches your current account priority. You finish by verifying the account loaded correctly and then restarting the app on the target device to finalize settings. Make sure your deck, purchases, and progress appear. If everything matches, remove any old device access from Konami ID security settings. If something went wrong, retry immediately with a new transfer code, ensure both devices stay online, and check Konami server announcements. One key tip: if the code times out or errors persist, wait a few minutes and regenerate a code rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.